In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. This setup is incredibly useful for managing your schedule seamlessly between these two platforms, ensuring you never miss a beat whether you're knee-deep in projects or keeping track of personal appointments. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a smooth integration that enhances your productivity. To start, you'll need to make sure you have access to both a Notion account and a Google Calendar account. It's important to log into both of these services, so head over to your browser and do that now. This ensures that everything is connected smoothly as we progress through the setup. Once you have both accounts ready and open, we can move on to the next steps. The simplest way to link these two applications is by using an online automation tool like Zapier or Automate.io. These platforms are designed to bridge the gap between different apps by automating workflows for you. Let's take Zapier as our example today. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged into Zapier, click on the option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a blueprint for an automated workflow, and you'll be creating one specifically to connect your Notion and Google Calendar. The first part of setting up your Zap is choosing a trigger app. In this case, you'll want to select Google Calendar as your trigger. This means whenever an event is registered in Google Calendar, it will trigger an action in Notion. After choosing Google Calendar, you'll need to specify the trigger event. You might select options like when a new event is created or an event is updated. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Once the trigger is set up, it's time to move to the Action app, which will be Notion. Here, you'll specify what action should happen in Notion whenever an event is triggered in Google Calendar. Typically, this might involve creating a new database item that corresponds with each new calendar event. Furthermore, remember to authenticate your accounts during this process. Zapier will prompt you to link both your Google Calendar and Notion accounts, requiring you to grant the necessary permissions. After setting up the trigger and action, ensure every detail is correct. Zapier will offer you a chance to test your new Zap to ensure it's functioning correctly. This testing process is crucial because it lets you see any immediate issues or misconfigurations. Once you've done that, simply turn your Zap on. With that, you will have successfully connected Notion with Google Calendar. Feel free to customize or tweak this setup to better fit your workflow. Whether you're organizing team meetings or planning personal events, this integration provides dynamic functionality to keep you synchronized across platforms. Congratulations, and enjoy your newfound productivity boost from this seamless integration.